Hi, I'm Kieran, machine specialist at Rajapack. Are you struggling to work out which packaging machine will suit your business needs? Well, I'm here to make things simple and help identify the right solution for you. There are three general applications for paper-based packaging machines: cushioning, void fill and wrapping. I'll help you understand what each one does, their key benefits and how to choose the right fit for your business. Starting with void fill, this solution is perfect for filling the empty spaces in your parcels to prevent movement. Your void fill can go directly into the box, preparing your parcel for shipment in seconds. It's both cost effective and versatile. We have a convenient manual dispenser for smaller operations and to support packing areas without access to power, and we have powered electric dispensers suitable for larger scale operations. The full pack TT cutter, for instance, is operated by a foot pedal, gives you flexibility to determine how much paper the machine should dispense, giving you greater control over material used for each box. Are you using bigger boxes? The Trident Mini creates a structured void fill, helping fill the larger spaces without the use of excessive material. Next up is cushioning. Stitched paper pads are created to nest and protect heavy or fragile items during transit. We have solutions to suit heavy industrial applications such as car parts and aviation components, as well as e-commerce operations shipping items such as cosmetics or electronics, or everything in between. Our cushioning machines range from the semi-automatic junior machine that produces 2-ply cushions on demand to our more automated solutions for high volume operations like the LC2 or the Guardian. These machines facilitate the pre-production of the material for greater customization of pad length. An alternative to more traditional plastic materials, Giami has a honeycomb design, creating a cushion wrap for your delicate items. The cells interlock as you expand and wrap, eliminating the need for tape. Use this paper with interleaved tissue to elevate the unboxing experience for your consumer. For additional protection, this application can be coupled with void fill. Giami is fast, clean and fully recyclable. No plastic, no fuss, ideal for e-commerce, homeware, beauty and gifts, or any item where presentation matters just as much as protection. Still not sure which solution will be right for your business? Well, let's make it simple. Void fill, filling your empty spaces to stop your products moving, great when working with a wide range of products or items not in need of robust protection. There's cushioning for your heavy or fragile goods, using nests and coils to fixate products and provide ongoing protection during transit. For wrapping, ditch the bubble wrap and speed up your packing of small, delicate items using FFC paper. Every business is different, and so are your packaging needs. That's why we take the time to understand your products, your workflow, and your sustainability goals. From an initial conversation, site review, demonstrations and trading, all the way through to aftercare. Rajapack supports you every step of the way. There are many benefits of a switch to a protected paper packaging solution, so whether you're wrapping, filling or cushioning, we'll help you find the smarter, sustainable way to pack. Contact us to find out how we can support your business.